wind advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts around 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest and west central Wisconsin and central, east central, south central, southeast, southwest and west central Minnesota. When? Until 9 p.m. this evening. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Repeating, a wind advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Benton, Carver, Hennepin, Isanti, McLeod, Meeker, Mille Lacs, Sherburne, Stearns and Wright. Elevated fire weather conditions this afternoon. A combination of well above normal temperatures, gusty south winds, and drier air will create elevated fire weather conditions this afternoon and evening across east central and southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Relative humidity values are expected to drop to around 30% this afternoon, along with southerly winds gusting as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Use caution if burning this afternoon, and always check with local officials for the status of burn bans in your county. The following message is primarily for the use by area land managers. Red flag warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Tuesday for strong winds and low relative humidity across portions of western and central Minnesota. Affected area, west of a line from Little Falls to Litchfield and Redwood Falls. Wind, south winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour, becoming west in the evening. Humidity, 15 to 25%. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. This is weather radio station WNG676